Hello, my friend, and welcome back to the channel, where we talk about aging well, staying strong, and protecting your independence after 60. If you're new here, I'm really glad you found us, and if you're part of our regular family, welcome back. Today's video is very important. Not scary, not complicated, but eye-opening. Let me ask you a simple question. Can you stand on one leg for 10 seconds without holding on to anything? No chair, no wall, no table. Just you standing steady. If you're not sure you can do that, or you already know you can't, please listen closely, because this 10-second test quietly reveals more about your health than most people realize, especially after age 60. Why the 10-second test matters after 60. Doctors and physical therapists often use this test because it checks three critical things at the same time: leg strength, balance and coordination, nervous system response. Research shows that difficulty standing on one leg is linked to higher risk of falls, faster muscle loss, called sarcopenia, reduced mobility, loss of confidence when walking. But here's something very important I want you to hear clearly. Failing this test does not mean you're weak or broken. It means your body is giving you an early warning, and early warnings are powerful because they give us time to act. Why balance and strength decline even if you feel okay? Many seniors say, "I walk every day, so I should be fine." Walking is wonderful, and I encourage it, but walking alone does not fully protect balance, hip strength, side-to-side stability, fast muscle response. As we age, a few quiet changes happen. 1. Muscles shrink faster, especially in the thighs, hips, and calves, the muscles that keep you upright. 2. Nerve signals slow down. Your brain takes longer to tell your muscles how to react. 3. Joints send weaker feedback. Your ankles, knees, and hips don't talk to your brain as clearly as before. This combination makes balance harder even in people who feel healthy. The hidden role of food in weakness after 60. Now here's something most people never connect to balance problems: food. Certain everyday foods quietly increase inflammation, speed up muscle loss, weaken joints, and reduce nerve sensitivity in the feet. You might be exercising, you might be walking, but these foods can undo your progress. Later in this video, I'll show you the common foods many seniors eat daily that damage aging bodies, and the simple foods to eat instead. No strict diets, no extremes. The good news, please listen carefully. Balance can be rebuilt, strength can be regained, even after 60, 70, or beyond. Studies show older adults can significantly improve balance and muscle strength with the right movements done gently and consistently. And today, I'm going to show you only 3 exercises. Not 10, not complicated routines, just 3 safe, effective exercises you can do at home. But before we start, very important safety reminder. Please promise me this: always have a chair, counter, or wall nearby. Move slowly, no rushing. Stop if you feel sharp pain or dizziness. This is about confidence and safety, not pushing through discomfort. Take a slow breath in and let it out. Exercise number 1, the balance wake-up. And the first food mistake. Take a slow breath in and gently let it out. Now let's begin with exercise number 1, the safest place to start if you failed the 10-second test or feel unsteady on your feet. This exercise is not about pushing your body. It's about waking up muscles and nerves that have gone quiet over time. Exercise number 1. Supported single leg stand. Please stand behind a sturdy chair, kitchen counter, or near a wall. Lightly place one hand on it for safety. Now follow these steps calmly. Stand tall with both feet on the floor. Shift your weight slowly onto your left leg, Gently lift your right foot just an inch or two off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower your foot slowly. Switch sides. That's it. If 5 seconds feels too difficult, try 3 seconds, or keep your toes lightly touching the floor. This is not a test, it's training. Why this simple exercise works so well after 60. Even though this looks easy, something powerful is happening inside your body. This movement activates hip stabilizer muscles, strengthens ankles and calves, improves core balance, retrains the brain to control movement. Studies show that short balance exercises done daily improve stability faster than long workouts, especially in adults over 60. You are rebuilding the connection between your brain and your legs. How often to do exercise 1? For best results, do this twice per day, 3 to 5 rounds per leg, every day. Total time, under 2 minutes. Consistency matters more than effort. What you may start to notice. Within a few days to a week, many seniors report less wobbling when standing, more confidence walking, better awareness of their feet. That's a very good sign. Now, let's talk about the first food mistake after 60. This is where many people unknowingly hurt their progress. Too much sugar and refined carbohydrates. Common examples: white bread, pastries, sugary cereals, cookies and biscuits, sweetened drinks. These foods spike blood sugar, increase inflammation, speed up muscle loss, damage nerve sensitivity in the feet. Over time, this makes balance worse even if you exercise, and many seniors eat these foods every single day, thinking they're harmless. Simple food swaps that protect strength. You don't need a strict diet, just small changes. White bread to whole grain or sourdough. Sugary cereal to oatmeal with nuts. Cookies to Greek yogurt or fruit. Sweet drinks to water or herbal tea. These foods support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, improve energy and balance. Food should help your body, not quietly weaken it. Exercise number 2. Side stability builder, plus joint-damaging foods. You're doing great. Now let's move to exercise number 2, one of the most important movements for preventing sideways falls, which are especially dangerous after 60. Many falls don't happen forward, they happen when we step to the side, turn quickly, or lose balance unexpectedly. This exercise trains the muscles that protect you in those moments. Exercise number 2. Side leg lift, hip protector. Stand behind a sturdy chair or next to a counter. Lightly hold on with one hand. Now follow me slowly. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Keep your chest up and shoulders relaxed. Slowly lift your right leg out to the side. Keep toes pointing forward, not turned outward. Lift only 6 to 12 inches. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower the legs slowly. Repeat 8 times, then switch sides. Move slowly and with control. No swinging, no rushing. Why this exercise is critical after 60. This movement strengthens a key muscle called the hip stabilizer. This muscle keeps you upright when walking, prevents side-to-side wobbling, protects hips and lower back, reduces fall risk dramatically. Walking alone does not fully strengthen this muscle. That's why many active seniors still feel unstable. This exercise fills that gap. How often to do exercise number 2? For best results, once per day, 8 to 10 repetitions per side, 5 to 6 days per week. It takes about 3 minutes. Small habit, big protection. Now let's talk about foods that quietly damage joints. Many seniors focus on sugar, which we covered, but there's another group of foods that silently worsen joint pain and stiffness. Seed oils and fried foods. Common sources include deep-fried foods, packaged snacks, fast food, margarine, vegetable oil, corn oil, soybean oil. These oils increase inflammation, damage joint cartilage, slow muscle recovery, make stiffness and pain worse. Over time, they reduce your desire and ability to move. What to eat instead for healthier joints? Choose foods that calm inflammation. Olive oil instead of vegetable oil. Avocados for healthy fats. Nuts and seeds in moderation. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines. These foods support joint lubrication, improve muscle recovery, reduce daily stiffness, and help movement feel easier. You don't need perfection, just better choices most days. Signs exercise number 2 is working. Within 1 to 2 weeks, many seniors notice easier side steps, less hip discomfort, improved walking confidence, better balance on uneven surfaces. That's real progress. Exercise number 3, the sit-to-stand power move and the final food mistake. You've done excellent so far. Now we come to exercise number 3, the most powerful of all because it combines leg strength, balance, confidence, and real-life movement you use every single day. This is the exercise that helps you get up from a chair more easily, climb stairs with confidence, protect your independence. Exercise number 3, sit to stand, functional leg strength. You'll need a sturdy chair. Sit toward the front of the chair, feet flat on the floor, feet about shoulder width apart. Now, follow me slowly. Lean your chest slightly forward. Push through your heels. Stand up without using your hands if possible. Pause for 2 seconds while standing tall. Slowly sit back down. That's 1 repetition. If you need help, lightly use your hands at first, or place a cushion on the chair to make it higher. Safety always comes first. How many times should you do this? Start with 5 repetitions, once per day. As you get stronger, work up to 8 to 10 repetitions, 5 to 6 days per week. This exercise directly fights sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It trains the exact muscles needed for daily life. Why this exercise is so powerful after 60? This movement strengthens thigh muscles, glutes, core stabilizers. It also improves reaction speed, balance control, and confidence getting up and down. Studies show sit-to-stand exercises significantly improve mobility and reduce fall risk in older adults. This is real, practical strength. Now let's talk about the final food mistake after 60. This one is very common and very damaging. Not eating enough protein. Many seniors simply don't eat enough protein anymore. This happens because appetite decreases, chewing becomes harder, meals become smaller. But protein is essential for muscle repair, balance strength, bone support, and recovery from exercise. Without enough protein, muscles shrink, even if you exercise. How much protein do seniors really need? Most older adults need more protein than younger adults, not less. Good daily sources include eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, chicken, beans and lentils, cottage cheese. Try to include a protein source at every meal. You don't need supplements unless your doctor recommends them. Food works beautifully. What happens when you combine these 3 exercises plus better food? When you do these 3 exercises regularly, avoid muscle-damaging foods, and eat enough protein, many seniors notice stronger legs, better balance, less fear of falling, more independence, and most importantly, confidence returns.
The simple daily plan and final encouragement. You've learned a lot today, and I want to make sure it feels simple, not overwhelming. So let's put everything together into a clear, gentle daily plan you can actually follow. Your simple daily routine, 5 to 8 minutes total. Here's all you need. Every day, Exercise number 1, supported single leg stand, 3 to 5 rounds per leg, morning and evening. Exercise number 2, side leg lifts, 8 to 10 repetitions per side, once per day. Exercise number 3, sit to stand, 5 to 10 repetitions, once per day. That's it. No gym, no floor exercises, no long workouts, just movements your body understands and needs. What if you fail the 10-second test right now? Then this video came to you at exactly the right time. Failing the test doesn't mean you're weak, you're too old, or it's too late. It means your body is asking for attention, support, gentle rebuilding, and you've already taken the most important step, starting. How soon will you notice results? Many seniors notice within 7 to 10 days better awareness of feet and legs. Within 2 to 3 weeks, improved balance and confidence. Within 4 to 6 weeks, stronger legs, easier standing, and less fear of falling. Progress may feel slow until one day you realize, I'm moving better without thinking about it. That's real success. Final reminder about food. This matters. Remember, avoid excess sugar and refined carbs. Avoid fried foods and seed oils. Eat enough protein at every meal. Food is not just fuel, it's information for your body. The right foods tell your muscles, stay strong, stay active. A gentle word from me to you. If no one has told you this lately, let me say it clearly. You are not fragile. Your body is adaptable, and it's never too late to improve how you move and feel. Do these exercises with patience, eat with awareness, and be kind to yourself. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe for more senior health guidance. Because strength after 60 is not about pushing harder, it's about moving smarter. Thank you for spending this time with me.